Hi, everybody. I want to go over the weekly announcements to explain how you can use this to navigate this course, especially since it is an online version. So every Monday, I will post a new announcement with that week's assignments and instructions. And then what you need to do is simply read through that bulleted list and follow all of those directions. I include in the announcement links to all the different materials that you need to read or complete. So it's a nice one-stop shop, if you will, to access the materials that you need for that week. The weekly assignments are tied to the course schedule, which is also listed here on the home page of the course. So there's a link here to that schedule. But the announcement will give you sufficient information to complete them. The calendar, not so much, or the course schedule, not so much. And then also on the home page is a calendar that lists the due dates for all the graded assignments. Please do not complete the course by simply clicking on those links to complete the assignments. There is not sufficient information on how to do the assignment. So if you simply go to the calendar and click on the assignment, you will probably not complete it correctly. So don't use the calendar for completing your assignments. Use it as a time management tool to know what's coming up. Now, those due dates are also clearly listed here in the announcement as well. All right, so for week one, what do we need to do? Well, the first thing you need to do is read the Getting Started materials. There's a link here that will take you to that module in the course. This is a lot of materials, and I'm not expecting you to spend lots and lots of time reading all of this in detail, but you should look it over and make sure you know what's there and know that it is a reference for you if you have future questions. All right, the next item says, in Unit 1 learning materials, read these following items. So there's about 4 different pages, if you will. This is your textbook, if you will. These materials are crucial. Do not skip the reading because the reading will help you know what to do when it comes to the graded assignments. So make sure you read all of those items. The next bullet gets to our first graded assignment, which is the academic integrity quiz. To fill that out, you're going to have read the information and then go to the quiz and complete it. You will be writing your answers. It's not multiple choice, so you may use it's open note so you can access the materials that you read, but you want to do a good job in completing that assignment. So the link is here for the quiz. You'll simply click on that, answer the questions, and submit it. Notice the due date and make sure you get it done by that time. And then the final thing for week one is a very crucial item, and that is to choose your debatable topic. So for English 102, through the whole course, you are going to be dealing with one debatable academic topic. Again, your reading will help you understand more what that means. So this week, I would like you to choose your topic. The readings will help you, as well as this link, which gives you a list of debatable topics that other students have used in the past. Take your time, choose wisely. You're going to be stuck with this for the whole semester, so think about this carefully. When you know your topic, then you'll complete the topic development brainstorm and submit that by the stated due date. Okay, so that's all for week one, and we'll get into a regular routine every week for you to check your announcements on Monday, and then the assignments will be due the following Sunday. If you have any questions, please let me know.